Hi, welcome to McDonald's.
Hello, can I get a McGangbang?
I don't think we have those here, sir.
Do you guys have Wheat Bix and milk?
No, we don't.
What's the weirdest thing on the menu? Nothing weird? Oh, it would be a big order. You guys would get a lot of revenue from it.
Okay.
Check this cut. Excuse me. We're here for Jimmy's demo, Jimmy Wilson.
Do you know Jimmy? Jimmy was gnarly. Jimmy was Jimmy. Jimmy was, off the hook. Off the hook.
Oh my God. He's shit everywhere. There's shit everywhere! Damn it! There's shit on the windows! Oh my God! My house is full of shit! He's shit everywhere! Look what he did! He shit all over the wall!
This is outrageous. Where are the armed men who come in to take the protesters away? Where are they? This kind of behavior is never tolerated in Boracua. You shout like that, they put you in jail right away. No trial, no nothing. Journalists, we have a special jail for journalists. You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses, you right to jail. You undercook fish, believe it or not, jail. You overcook chicken, also jail. Undercook, overcook. You make an appointment with the dentist and you don't show up, believe it or not, jail, right away. We have the best patients in the world because of jail.
Good comeback story, right? Seabiscuit, the Mighty Ducks,
Robert Downey Jr., who
Rocky.
else? Yes.
Kim Kardashian.
Kim, well,
Well, in the video, she gets cum on her back.
Sorry to get the last minute, but things leak. This lead came from Queen's undercover guy. I'm gonna have a smoke right now. You want the smoke? You don't smoke, do you? Right? What do you want all those fitness freaks? Huh? Go fuck yourself.